Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video we are going to discuss about an off-campus pseudocode which is asked in Capgemini. So if you are preparing for any of these companies like Capgemini, Accenture or Infosys, then you have to watch this video completely guys. Apart from this video, I have already made 100 to 150 videos especially on pseudocodes. So if you have not seen those things, then just check out the playlist guys, you will be getting each and everything there. So they are the questions which I have taken from Capgemini, and few questions I have taken from Accenture, and few questions I have taken from the Infosys assessments. So they are all real questions. It is not like I have taken some conceptual questions or some questions which I have created on myself. Okay, so each and every question I have taken from the off-campus assessments. Like this only I have taken the screenshot and I have explained each and everything in detail. So you can just check it out guys, the link is there in the description. Now coming to the today's question, that is pseudocode is given and there are four options. Let me just show you the four options. So the output will be like joint string is hello Smita, then joint string is hello Smita without exclamatory mark in between, and the third option says that joint string is hello with exclamatory mark, and fourth option is joint string just a Smita. So now let me just trace this code line by line. So whenever you are tracing any code guys, first make sure that you check out the main method. So if the main method is proper, then okay, otherwise you can say that it will directly throw an compile time error. So always check for the main method, then only proceed with the code. Otherwise you will waste time on all the lines, and at the end you notice that oh, the main method is not good, so it is going to throw the compilation error. So that's why it's always efficient way to check out the main method before you start tracing the code. So now I will do the same thing. The main method is public static void main string arguments. It's fine, it is opening here and it is closing somewhere here. So that's why I can say the main method is good, and I can go with the other lines now. So there is one class whose name is string demo. So it is creating one string, like the name of the string is greet and it contains hello exclamatory mark with one space as the input or the content. After that there is another string whose name is name itself and it contains Smita as the content. So there are two strings. Now at this particular line, these are comments guys, no need to worry about these things. If I am writing something like this, then they are considered as comment in the Java. So if I am writing one star and star one and writing some lines in between, then this is multi-line comment. We know about these things, right? So if you want to master the Java, then we have already created one playlist which contains 50 to 60 hours of Java, starting from variables, that is from scratch. We have covered collections, oops concept, then exception handling, then file handling, threads, and then JDBC. So after that frameworks we have taught. So each and everything, basically I can say A to Z of Java is being covered in those 50 to 60 hours. So if you are preparing for Java guys, then I highly recommend you to check out the playlist. The link is there in the description. Okay, so now coming to the code, here you can see I'm doing one thing. I mean in the code it is written greet dot concat name. So always remember that whatever is there on the right hand side will be getting concatenated to the left hand side, and the result will be stored in the left hand side itself. So greet contains this one hello and exclamatory mark, after that some space is there. Okay, after that I am concatenating Smita to this one. So I will be having Smita here with one space over here. So I will just go to the output and you can see here, but before that there is another line guys. You can see the concatenation is done. After that system.out.println, I am printing first this thing, that is joint string colon. After that I am concatenating with greet again. So greet means it will be having hello Smita. Hello Smita will be concatenated with joined string. So that's why the final output what I will be getting is something like this, joint string hello Smita. So this will be the output guys, and here you can see exclamatory mark is missing, so it cannot be, and here the next word is not there and the first word is not there. So that's why the answer for this one is joint string colon hello exclamatory mark Smita. So that's it in this video guys, and for more such interesting pseudocodes and off-campus coding questions, you can consider subscribing our channel, because we will be uploading these type of videos continuously. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.